This video is the last of 3 where I'm creating a snowy mountain scene. Hello everyone, my name is Chris and this is CRB. For parts of this video I'll be making use of skills and techniques I learned from my tutorial by 3D School. Please see the description of this video for a link to the tutorial in question. Just in case you missed it, the first thing we're going to want to do is select File, Append and then select the elements of the house we previously created. Once done, we'll move it into position. Once you're happy with the position, we're now going to add a little colour to the house. With the house window selected, select the Materials tab and change the surface to Emission. Once done, select the base colour of your choosing. I'm now pressing Tab to go into edit mode in order to select the individual components of the window frame. Make sure you have Face Select selected and then hold Shift while selecting each of the faces of the window frame. Add another material, find yourself a nice brown and then press Assign. At this point we're just going to work our way through and assign the rest of the colours. Rather than creating a new material for the round light, in hindsight, I should have just assigned the window material that I created earlier. We're going to create ourselves a moon now. Press Shift A, Mesh, Icosphere. We're going to shrink it down and move it into a rough position. Moving into our camera view gives us a little bit more control over ensuring the moon is positioned correctly, and bringing the background image down allows those nice purples to give us that nighttime feeling. Select the shading workspace and press New. I'm still getting my head around nodes, so rather than explain it here, please go give 3D School some love. Everything I do regarding nodes for this segment is taught by them. that done, we're going to add some lights into our scene. Our first placed a part of the light reflected off the moon, giving it a nice cool blue colour. Now, you think this bit would be easy. I just wanted to light up the moon. Now, I'm sure there's an easier way of doing this, but I decided suffering and misery was the way to go. Having been defeated by the moon, the lighting from the house was starting to look a little too bright for me. Hence why I removed the light from the door, as it clearly makes a big difference. In truth, I just needed any win at this point. Turns out, if I just spent 5 more seconds moving the light around, I would have done it anyways. I decided to duplicate the house at this point, as I still wasn't happy with how it looked. If you made it this far, thank you very much for watching. Please like, comment and/or subscribe, and until next time.